Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Cash App on Australia on iPhone, iPad. So let's get started videos without wasting time. First of all, open App Store app and type on search bar and search Cash App. So as you can see here, is Cash App is not available in my country. So we have changed country. Back home screen and tap on App Store. Tap on profile icon and tap on Apple ID profile and tap on country region and tap on change country region. Scroll down and tap on United States. Tap it and tap on agree. Tap on none. Scroll down and fill in billing address and select state and tap on zip code and tap on phone number. Tap on next and tap on search Cash App. So as you can see, Cash App is available in my country. So tap download and open. So as you can see, Cash App is available in my country. So if you like my video, so like, comment, share. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.